Now, coming to the topic of Niti Aayog, see, I have included this topic since this body has replaced something called Planning Commission. So, my emphasis would be on identifying the differences between this body and Planning Commission. So, you can find a detailed explanation of about Planning Commission in the Lakshmikant textbook. What you cannot find in that textbook, I'm emphasizing here. So let us look at the working of Niti Aayog. It is purely a think tank body. Now, unlike Planning Commission, it emphasizes on cooperative and physical federalism. Now, bottom-up approach, whereas earlier, erstwhile Planning Commission followed a top-down approach. Now, the Niti Aayog has been giving the importance to NRIs in directing the growth trajectory of the country. So their ideas, suggestions are being incorporated. Now, quarterly states meeting, now focusing on research and innovation, emphasizing interdepartmental coordination, and it focuses on from not just planning but also policy making. Now let us look at some of the differences between Niti Aayog and Planning Commission. See, Niti Aayog is purely an advisory body. It has got no power to allocate funds. Whereas Planning Commission was not just an advisory body, but it has got power to allocate funds. Now, with respect to states' participation, here Niti Aayog is emphasizing or treating states as equal partners in development. All the chief ministers, union territory administrators are part of governing council, and there has been a regional council to address local issues. Whereas under erstwhile Planning Commission, the states have got limited role, and it was Planning Commission which was approving the state government plans. Now let us look at the working style. Now, under Niti Aayog, it is a think tank body with a focus on research and development and innovation. Now, it has incorporating the ideas of NRIs, society, civil society, academia, and industry. It is emphasizing on coordination and convergence between union ministers, state, and as well as central government. Whereas in case of erstwhile Planning Commission, it was simply making 5-year plans and it was framing the central sector schemes. By this, it has entered executive domain. Now, with respect to coordination, Planning Commission has got no such role. Now, Niti Aayog is not just a development office, but it is a monitoring and evaluation office. Whereas erstwhile Planning Commission, there was no emphasis on monitoring and evaluation, so there was no accountability. Now, Niti Aayog has been involved in performance-based ranking of states. It is promoting competition between the states. At the same time, it is identifying and replicating the best practices. Now, in the erstwhile Planning Commission, we have seen no such role. Now, Niti Aayog is not just confined to the economy, but it is going beyond the economy. We can see it's advising on national security and defense, whereas Planning Commission was just confined to economy.